Hey everyone, let's make chessboard themed cake. Watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any step. And yes, do not forget to follow us. First of all, we took silicone mold to make chess pieces. We filled white and dark chocolate in the mold and then refrigerated it. After some time, we demolded the chocolates. We made two sets of both chocolates and connected two pieces so that it looks more realistic. Now we have to roll black and white fondant and make 1 inch square on it. Square is made even with the help of scale. Roll white fondant and make a mark on it with the help of 6-inch ring. And arrange black and white square pieces on it so that it looks like a chess base. After this, we have to cut it with the help of 6-inch ring. And we have 6-inch round base ready. We arrange this base on 6-inch cake and put some square pieces below. And we have made border with the help of black fondant roll. After this, we will arrange some decoration and some chess pieces which we made before. And it looks so beautiful. Please tell us in the comment box if this video is helpful or not. Thank you.